We are going to learn how to assign Microsoft 365 license to a single user or multiple users at the same time, and doing that manually. So let's say you work as an IT system administrator and you've been asked to assign a user a license. So what you can actually do is the following. You will need to actually go to your Microsoft 365.com or office.com and then go to your admin center. And in admin center, here you need to actually set for the user. For example, you can see we have some users without license. So I can select the first user and select the second user and then click manage product license, and then we can keep the existing license and assign more. Here we can select a specific license. But for example, I can decide to also assign a specific user a license. I can just click manage product license. And here you can see we can decide to assign this user a license. Let me just assign this user a license. We still have 3 of 10 licenses available. Then we can now click save changes. But you can also assign license to a security group. For example, you can go to your groups. If I go to teams and groups, here you can see we have the active teams and groups. Then you can actually create a security groups. You can create a security group. And in the security group, you're going to actually assign license to that security group. So which means that every single user that is included in that group, we have the license to Microsoft 365. But mind you, when you assign license, it's going to consume when you assign the license to the security group and you are adding more users, for example, 10 users to that group, and you only have 10 available license, it's going to consume that 10 license. And we can also use the Azure Active Directory to also assign license to user, or even the Microsoft Intune. We'll be seeing that in different video. So this is how you assign license to a user using the Microsoft 365 Admin Center.